Have you ever looked into your aquarium and wondered about the hidden world within? The quiet balance, the vibrant life, all moving in harmony beneath the surface. Every ripple, every breath of your fish is part of something much bigger, a story shaped by fascinating aquarium science. Here at the Tank Guide by Fishkeeping Life Co., we believe that understanding is the key to appreciation, because the more you learn, the more alive your aquarium becomes. That's why we're proud to share something new. Our university articles and blog series on the tankguide.com. This isn't just another collection of facts. It's a journey into the art and science of fish keeping, a space where curiosity meets discovery, where real aquarium research, aquarist guides, and stories from fellow hobbyists all come together. Ever wondered how the nitrogen cycle really works its magic? Or what it takes to grow those lush, living aquatic plants? Our new collection explores it all, from beginner insights to advanced aquarium science. It's about turning balance into beauty and helping every aquarist build confidence, one tank at a time. Fish Keeping Life Co., where curiosity meets science. Let's keep learning and keep exploring together, because your journey as an aquarist never truly ends. There's always a new species to research, a deeper understanding of the nitrogen cycle to achieve, or a more stunning arrangement of aquatic plants to try. The best tanks are built not just with equipment, but with knowledge. That's the heart of our fish keeping education. We cut through the myths and give you reliable science-backed answers. Whether you're decoding a water parameter test or applying a new finding from aquarium research, we want you to feel confident and in control of your small world. So take the next step. Invest in your passion. Find the specific aquarist guides you need to troubleshoot that challenge, or simply lose yourself in the endless fascination of the aquatic realm. We look forward to being your trusted guide. Visit thetankguide.com/media today.